Today's Thursday, August 26th. This is the 1969 Cadillac DeVille Convertible, 1 year only rim blow steering wheel. This is a level 10 restoration for my friend Richard in Texas. This is video number 2 out of a 3 video set. This is the fully assembled complete embodiment ready to ship. And I'm doing a last final overview video for my friend before I ship this out. The unit is absolutely beautiful. It was recast under time, temperature, and pressure for 30 days in a mold and then cured for an additional 30 days, hand worked, put on a CNC milling machine whereby the receiving channel for the wood grain inlay was circular interpolated in a numerical control program, and then the beautiful wood grain inlay ring was fused to the body. It includes the revitalized horn pad, absolutely beautiful, and this silver argent inlay along with the retouched Cadillac crest. This is the telescopic variant, as is indicative by the 3.5-inch collar cover for the steering column. And this is the 1 year only design featuring the inside perimeter rim blow horn switch, which was demonstrated in video number 3 out of the 3 video set. So this will be going out to my friend Richard as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Absolutely beautiful. And for those of you interested in seeing how the horn actuation functions, you can refer to video number 3. I'll go ahead and turn the unit over. We'll look at the bottom side. I have some temporary retainer bands holding the tapered conical coil spring that facilitates the electrical continuity to the steering column for the horn. So these yellow retaining bands will be cut and allowing the full extension of the conical connecting spring to engage with the copper tabs of the cancellation cam of the steering column. The tilt and telescopic variant is easily identified as it has the long bowl cover, which is sufficient to cover all of the head of the steering column, regardless of the infinite positioning of the 3.5-inch travel telescopic movement. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Go ahead and turn it over. We'll do one last flyover of this beautiful show quality, fully restored 1969, 1 year only Cadillac DeVille convertible steering wheel. And the DeVilles are easily identifiable as the larger Cadillac crest encompasses the TriStar horn pad instead of the smaller Cadillac crest with the wreath, which is specific to Fleetwood and Fleetwood Eldorado. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1970, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, including this beautiful 1969 rim blow feature steering wheel, as well as the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today's Thursday, August 26th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.